This is a question I get asked all the time. How do you clean or refresh the inside of a jewelry box? Because this one's pretty gross, so we're going to tell you. First thing you do is just take a damp cloth and wipe everything out. After you wipe it out, I grab some painter's tape and grab any lint or debris that I can get out of that box, any hairs or anything like that. Now I'm taking a light color that kind of matches the inside already to make life easy here. So this is Burlap in the Chalk Mineral Paint line from Dixie Belle. I'm also going to grab a brush that I don't mind if it gets roughed up a little bit by going back and forth inside that fabric, and a fine mister bottle. I'm going to give everything a coat of a little bit of water. You can either water down your paint, but then sometimes I find that I water it down too much, or you can just spray the inside of your drawer, not sopping wet, just enough that there's a little coat of water on top of that fabric and a little bit on your brush, and you just swipe it back and forth inside there. So you can go around in circles. You kind of want to get it down into that fabric. And people always ask if this is going to make it crunchy. If you use water and a chalk-based mineral paint, your drawer is not going to be crunchy. It will not feel exactly the way it did before you started, but it's going to be nice and soft and smooth. It's going to have a nice feel when you stick your finger in there to get out a piece of jewelry, and it looks a lot better. So this is so much easier than actually going through and refelting the inside of there. You don't want to use too much water because it's actually just a really thin piece of cardboard covered in felt. You can see here why I'm using a light color, because it makes it really easy. This is after one coat that I did evenly. Now I'm going to grab a sanding pad that has been worn down. This is why I keep things like this, and I'm going to sand the whole inside. This just gives me back that really nice soft feel to the fabric to go on to coat 2. So sometimes you don't need a coat 2 when you're doing a really light color or a like color, but I'm going to give it a second color just to make sure it's even. And then this is 2 coats just to show you that it is not crunchy, it is not pasted together or anything, that it's still very pliable and usable. So after I get everything done, I'm going to take the tape out of the inside and show you that it looks so much better this way, refreshed, and it makes a huge difference. I'm going to get all that tape out. I'm going to put the carousel back in the top. Of course, I still have to clean the glass, but this looks so much better. And look at the inside of the drawers. They look all nice and fresh. So I hope that answers any questions, and thanks for watching.